so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars, oh. I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You'll wait to see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars, oh. I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars, oh. I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Protect you from every heartbreak. The world isn't easy that way. I'll be there for you when you crawl. Dad will pick you up when you fall. Yes, I'll love you with all I am. Yes, tonight is where we began. I'll do anything for you. Oh yeah. Tonight, my love, all I want. I wanna sing for you. Yeah, I'll sing for you. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday. From the moment you came. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
magtagal, ading. Mag-wish ka muna. Okay na? Okay, blow! Happy birthday, Alliah! Ayan. Bago ang lahat, merong inihandang letter ang iyong mama. Asan na yung letter? Eto. Maari ba nating basahin? O si Alliah na lang ang magbasa. Pwede? Pwede, ading. Okay na yan. Oh, basahin mo ha. Para kay mama. Pakinggan mo para marinig ni mama. Hi, Tito! Yan. Okay.
To my not so baby anymore. Happy 13th birthday, anak. Mama love you so much. And I'm sorry that I can't deliver this myself, but I promise I'll see you soon. I pray that you'll grow up not just successfully but happily, anak. I may not be physically there every day para alagaan ka, pero alam kong naintindihan mo na lahat ng ginagawa ni Mama is for you. To live a comfortable life, nak. Material things may not feel my presence, but do know that Mama is always loving and missing you every day. You are God's precious gift to me. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day and sending you my biggest hug through Tita Menchi. I love you and I miss you a lot, King ko. May you always be well and healthy, not just today or this year, but every day of your life. God bless. Love, Mama Lapang.
Happy birthday, Alliah! Isa Paris now! Ano masasabi mo kay mama mo? Anong message mo kay mama and tito?
Salamat po, Mama, at Tito, sa lahat po.
Iiyak na yan! Iiyak dito. Okay, kay tito din. Andun siya. Tito, tingin ka dito, din. Yan.
Salamat po, Tito, na palagi niyo po kaming gagabayan po ni Mama. Tsaka po, salamat din po sa mga binibigay niyo po sa amin po.
Ayan. Ayan. Oh, in behalf of the Edmonton's Flower Shop and Parties, thank you, Ma'am May. Thank you, sir, for choosing and trusting Edmonton's Flower Shop and Parties. Thank you, Alliah. Kala mo kung ano na, no? Pero parang alam na niya, diba? Parang alam niya, no? Pero ayan, napasaya natin si Alliah. Ayan, nagulat siya sa mga surprise na inihanda natin. Ayan, matagal nang matagal nang pinaprepare ni mama mo ito. Oo. Noon nga, kailan ba yon? 2 weeks ago na ata. So, ayan, napaghanda natin. Sana masaya ka sa purple mong kahit hindi siya 4 feet. At least may 4 feet ka na dito. Okay? Masaya ka? Oh, lakasan! Masaya? Ayan. So, ayan, thank you po sa lahat. Thank you kay Ching Ching na sa amin, nag-guide. Ayan. Andiyan si Ching Ching para sa iyo lagi, 'di ba? Oh, yan, yung ate-ate. Ayan, picture! Bye!
Nobody else. Outside, nobody else.
Beautiful, beautiful, no other name I knew from the moment you came. I've seen in your eyes the dawn of a day when nothing will ever be the same. Feel my heart beating through my chest. I'll get used to just saying yes. Yes, I'll love you with all I am. Yes, tonight is where we began. Ooh, I wanna dance with you. Ooh, I promise to stay
Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. Wrap you in love for the rest of my days. Pray you find joy through your pain. I can't protect you from